All right, everybody. So today I already had a wall-mounted TV. There it is right now. And I'm hiding cables behind the back of the wall. What I'm using to do that is this Legrand kit from Lowe's. This was $14. These two covers sell for $14 each. For $7 each at Lowe's. And these are for the drywall mount type ones, so they don't have to be hooked into a stud. They'll actually mount to the drywall. So all you have to do is just put them in the same stud bay. And I have an interior wall right here that is insulated. So I'm going to show you how to fish cables on an insulated wall. And best case scenario, you're going to get the side with vapor barrier. But if you're anything like me, I'm usually not that lucky. In fact, I don't know if this would have vapor barrier on either side because it is interior wall. I was honestly shocked to see the interior wall actually insulated. But basically, you're going to need a fish tape. Here I have a 25-footer. And for those of you who do not have one, it is a necessity. You just got to have it, period. And I like to use a straight end. Yes, it is more likely to jab into the insulation, but it's also less likely to pull as much junk than a hook would. And what I'm gonna do is tape both of my cables, I've already taped them together right here, to this fish tape and pull them through very carefully. And if they were to slide off, I'll restart the process. But what you wanna do is you wanna find the natural lay of the fish tape. As you can see, it coils up, so it's gonna actually tend to have a little bit of curvature to it. You're gonna want that curvature to keep the end pointed towards the inside of the wall to kind of point away from the insulation, and you're gonna snag a little bit, and you're gonna wanna make sure you go straight down. And for me, it was easier to wait until I hit the floor before I stuck my hand in this hole to find everything. But as long as you're careful and slow and not in a rush, you should be able to do this with as little damage as possible. And if it's an interior wall, like I said, not a huge big deal. Everything's gonna work out just fine. Just take your time, guys, and you gotta have a fish tape. Thanks.